balmy 46 degrees this morning, and we are going to take on this project this morning. I've been talking about redoing this whole area right here, just all of it. It's actually pretty green. The big change that we need to make is right here in front of the wall, right there. We need to move those bushes to right here. And then we are also going to reseed. I've actually got quite a bit of a good base going on right now. Need to put down some fescue, and we're going to do some rye. That's going to take us all the way through the winter. And also right in this area right here, we're going to put in some of those golf ball sized river rocks right there. And the big reason why is I've shown you that area before a few times, and we've got a little friend of an armadillo that loves to come in there and dig. And so we're hoping that that's going to prevent him. We've got all of our electrical stuff, all of our utilities, gas line, all that. And it makes us nervous that he's in there. And also he's just destroying it. So we're going to do some things to prevent that, along with getting the grass ready. And I'll walk you through that real quick as to what we're looking at right now. So as we look closer to this whole area, you can see lots of bare spots. And if you notice, like these shrubs right here, those guys are going to get moved to right in this area. And then this whole area right here, leading all the way over to the other side of the gas line right there, is going to be those golf ball sized river rocks, and I guess they're probably called tumbled stone or something. And then we are going to get rid of this mulch, and all of these bare spots here that you can see, we're going to overseed it with rye and fescue to get us through the winter, and hopefully into early spring next year. We do have some grass here, but as you can see, it's very, very, very patchy, and it has been destroyed over the entire summer months by our armadillo friend. You can see the holes he's digging right there. See those guys? That's all him. So that's our project for today, and we'll see how it looks in the end. Bring out the water roller, flatten it all out, and that should get us ready for the winter months. This right here, that white pipe right there that you can see, it's right there, is why we're being so careful, because the sprinklers actually lead all the way down along the wall, all the way down. So we're trying to just be careful. See our irrigation right there, and that's what we're trying to avoid, is not getting into either one of those pipes. The builder, when they put in our irrigation, they use probably the thinnest wall PVC pipes that you've ever imagined. My weed eater actually cut through one, so that's how thin it is. So we're being ultra careful as we're digging through this. So anyway, it's a good thing my wife is the one doing most of the digging because of my crappy Achilles, because if it wasn't for that, I probably would have already broken through those. finished our little project here. Next thing is to get our roller. We put down a bunch of topsoil to fill in a couple holes. We're gonna roll it all the way out and make sure it's nice and flat. And then we're gonna do a drop seed of some fescue, and then we'll roll it out one more time, and then we'll water it. And hopefully that should be enough to get this grass started and this project going. The temperature has just not been real cooperative, and this is the best that we've been able to do. So that's it. That was pretty much the seeding of this area. As you can see, I'm just trying to avoid all the mechanicals and seed a bunch of bare spots that we've allowed to grow. My daughter Becca went through and flattened out everything. So hopefully in the next few days we can start seeing some seedlings sprouting up, and we'll have something that resembles a side yard. In fact, for the winter months, this will be the only green spot because the Bermuda will be going dormant here shortly. Good morning, everybody. I wanted to come out and give you guys an update on our little project that we did here a few days ago. It's now been 12 days. This morning, when I woke up, was the high for the day, and it was about 58 degrees. It is now 10:30, and the temperature has dropped to 41 degrees. Winter is upon us. So let me show you the project and how it turned out, and we'll go from there. As you can see, we've got a lot of really good growth here. It's a little drizzly, but the bare spots are filling in nicely, and I think this is gonna be really nice. Tonight we're supposed to get a hard freeze. It's supposed to be about 29 degrees. So not exactly sure what it's gonna do, but right in there was where we've been having a lot of trouble getting grass to grow. I've shut off my sprinklers and don't really need it because we've gotten lots of rain, and I think this is gonna be really good. As you can see, the grass is still green on my side of the yard. It just doesn't seem to want to turn, but I think after tonight's weather, it will definitely turn. Well, that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed our little speed through this project that's taken us a couple weeks. We'll keep an eye on this. We'll see what happens during the spring, but wanted to share that with you and make sure that you all got a good view of our process. Again, if you like it, and if you like what you see on a regular basis, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'd be happy to continue to share stories and tips and tricks and all that stuff about lawn care, especially here in the Middle Tennessee area, and with mostly Bermuda, but now there's quite a bit of fescue in here too, so we'll see. Have a good one.